Right, just try to get on the Main Street fire truck right here. He was actually over by the train station. And he says he's going to be picking up Mickey at 7 p.m., which is going to be coming up about right now. So let's check out Mickey getting on the fire truck. Check it out, man. Here comes Pluto. Signing autographs. Minnie's back out that way.
Hey, travelers, can you go ahead and wave up
Pluto. All right, Mickey's got to be coming soon. He's going to get on the fire truck where it's going to be right behind me. All right, here comes Pluto again. Right, I haven't really gone down Main Street yet. Still waiting for Mickey. It's about 7:05. Actually, looks like a lot of people over here in this particular area. Right up here towards the main gates and the train station. But yeah, still waiting for Mickey to show up. I was talking to one of the guys that these might be ending at 7:30 tonight. He wasn't 100% sure. Main Street vehicle. All right, here comes Minnie. Let's see if she's gonna get on there, or still waiting for Mickey to show up. Nope. Minnie's gonna be taking pics and meet and greets. All right, here comes the man right here. All right, here comes Mickey, man. Let's see if he gets on the fire truck.
We're gonna go on the fire truck. He's gonna be on the fire truck and he's gonna go down Main Street waving at everyone. No more pictures.
Mickey's gonna do the rounds, and then the fire truck either is gonna be retired for the night, or they're gonna let more people on. Not sure. Right, I'm hanging out with a cast member. Let's see what he wants to do tonight. Like I say, if I haven't been here in a month, so see what's going on here in Disneyland. All right, Mickey made the loop, and now he's on his way back to the hub. All right, we just got a reservation for Rise of the Resistance. Got about an hour before we get on that. All right, not super hungry. And I'm gonna get something to eat tonight, but I'm not sure exactly what. Right here's Tomorrowland. Got a bunch of balloons over here in front of Tomorrowland. Matterhorn, I don't think's open. I think they're still on refurb. Bunch of the Halloween balloons. Right, man, we're just gonna roam around until we get over to Batu for Rise of the Resistance. See what we can see going the long route. All right, actually we're gonna go over here and get on the monorail because it is running here at night and we're gonna kill some time, so we're gonna be hitting up the monorail. It's all decked out different since when I was here last. Let's go get a shot in the middle.
Okay, so those are all our dances. I cannot wait for the dance party started. So you all know the magic words, right? When I say hey DJ, you say play that song at the top of your lungs. Hey DJ! All right, we're heading to the ball. Very exciting. Brush off your clothes. Make sure you're ready to do this. Come up your body with it. Yeah. You will stretch. Side to side. Woo! We're gonna do some dancing. This will be so fun. All right, come on. Here we go. Down, down. Very good. Now
Alright, Monorail, I just see he's cruising right back behind the submarine voyage right now, so I'm gonna work the ramp and get up to the Monorail station. See who we can make it on this particular monorail. That's her to honk. See how many people are up here. Doesn't look like very many. So yeah, we'll be getting on this particular monorail.
Watch your step and your head and below clear. After that, we have a scheduled closure for
Alright, I want to sit on this side because I want to see. It's probably too dark, but I want to see what's over the fence in downtown Disney. The construction zone. Right, there's the old Paradise Pier Hotel. Things under construction, and I don't think we can see anything over the fence.
Will be leaving us here and returning later today. Please hold on to your front ticket as you leave the station. You can reboard the monorail for a return trip to Tomorrowland up until 1.
Right, they just let people off here at the downtown Disney station, and now the new people are going to be coming on right now. So we're going slow,
Is the main entrance of
and we're off. Check it out, man. We stopped here on the tracks, the monorail.
Just went back, so we're now on the hold for just a little bit. Just make sure you remain seated. We'll be holding here for just a tad bit. Thank you.
Oh man, we're on hold.
Everybody hold on.
Alright, man, we're still sitting here on the tracks. Haven't actually entered Disneyland yet. If you heard that three honks, man, we're going backwards on the monorail. Heck yeah. Trip out. Something happened ahead, so we don't know what's going on. We're going to be getting off at the downtown Disney station. No, this isn't in rewind, man. We're actually going backward on the monorail.
She would hug them till they die. Yeah, they would probably. They would probably choke. Cover your mouth. Cover your face. Cover your body. We can walk to Disneyland, right? Yes. Can you use we do it. Okay, I can go something amazing? Dad and Mom agreed letting us stay up till today. And we're just gonna
The lights and the palm trees.
Almost there.
Let's keep it off.
boy, that was awesome. All right, man, that was a unique experience. Not sure if we have to get off or not. Buddy's gonna go ask.
Really, while our experiencing some technical difficulties, our model are able to hear what name of education. The Downtown Disney Monorail Station. Unfortunately, we do not have an ETA of when the...
All right, something possibly happened at Autopia. So we had to back up because they didn't want us going over whatever happened. And that's a possibility is what I heard was something happened at Autopia. So we gotta walk all the way back to the main gates, get back in there, and then I'm gonna cruise over to Autopia, man. I wanna see if there's possibly something going on. All right, went to the Galaxy's Edge outpost, goofed off there for a little bit, and whatever happened must got cleaned up because Monorail's back. So that didn't take too long, so get back on the monorail and get back into Disneyland. We're gonna get on Rise of the Resistance. Honestly, man, have no idea what happened, but we got to go backwards. That was rad. What an experience, because I've never done that before. I've only heard the honk 3 times once, and this was the 2nd time ever. All right, it's the same monorail that we were on earlier because there's a big old chunk of something right down there. So, all right, I'm in the exact same spot as I was before. All right, round 2. Let's see what happens. There's that brand new parking lot. It's downtown Disney parking, but I don't think it really is. Right, here's where we stopped last time. We already passed it, so we're slowing down so we can enter into Disneyland. Alright, there's absolutely nobody on the Autopia tracks.
This is Tomorrowland. Atlantis. Underwater adventure.
Right, I'm gonna have to get off too over by Autopia, so let's go check this out. Right. Another section of Autopia, man. Nobody's on it. Wonder what happened.
Of them all, Fantasyland. Home to Pinocchio, Snow White, storybook characters.
Alright, let's go check out what's going on over here at Autopia. Get hopping off the monorail. There's the cast member walking on the Autopia tracks. Let's get down here a little bit further. Let's go take a look. Right, here's Autopia. Let's take a peek around the corner. They're all socked in down here. I seen some people up there on the deck where you actually go down to get on Autopia. It looks like there's some people in line way over there. And that's cast members moving them around right now. So yeah, I have no idea. I don't think I'll ever know what really happened down here. But the monorail didn't want to go over whatever was going on, but I think this just got reopened. So it would be time to get over there and get on the Autopia, but we got to head over to Batu and get on Rise of the Resistance. Right, I'm just gonna walk over here and take a look at the sign just to see how long this is, but I think it just reopened.
Hey, come on, Melissa!
says 35 minutes, but there's like nobody up there, up that ramp. Right, just entered Batu, going straight to Rise of the Resistance. I'm gonna film the ride, and then that's gonna be the end of the video, because I don't know how long it's gonna be, because that was pretty unique to go backwards on that monorail. Alright, man, getting into Rise of the Resistance. But I'm on the front side of the waterfall, not the back side.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We have the recruits. Wait, seatbelt securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, and those are the prisoners.
Your power is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Attention block breach. Prisoners on scene.
There they are. Fire.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their station.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
came in a little off target. Still unaccounted for. Considered Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!